So today I'm giving you a quick, honest review of the new Galaxy S25 FE and helping you decide if it's truly the best value Android phone to buy this coming holiday season. Before we dive in, there's one upgrade in this phone that instantly makes it feel more premium than the price suggests, but I'll get into that in a moment. First, let's talk design, because Samsung actually surprised me here. The S25 FE keeps the clean, minimalist look, but the moment you hold it, it feels way more expensive than last year's models. It's lighter, sturdier, and yes, still very Samsung. But here's where things get interesting. If you've ever used a mid-range phone that lags when switching apps, the S25 has a hidden performance jump that fixes that instantly. That's thanks to Samsung's updated chipset. And honestly, it's the smoothest FE phone I've tested so far. Now, the camera. This is where I expected Samsung to cut corners. But they didn't. Not only do the photos look sharper this year, but the nighttime shots, huge transformation. You get brighter details without the over-processed look older FE phones had. And battery life, okay, this one shocked me. There's a moment when you realize the S25 FE is actually competing with higher-end phones. I hit nearly a full and a half of regular use, and that's without battery saving turned on. So after testing everything, here's the real question. Is this the best value Android phone of 2025? If you want flagship level performance, great cameras, and long battery life for mid-range price, honestly yes. This is the phone most people should buy this holiday season. And that's it. That's my quick take of the Galaxy S25 FE. If you want more simple, straight to the point tech reviews, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.